circles. So I have here a given set of objects and I want you to look at the objects and tell what is common among these pictures. So they're all circles. Let's talk about circle and its parts. So a circle is the set of all points. So pag sinabi nating set of all points, meron po yung infinite number of points on the circle. Okay? Again, on the circle. So we have the set of all points on the circle in a plane at a given distance. A given distance, saang distance? From the center, yung given point, from the given point to the radius. So ito yung given point ninyo, ito yung center to the radius. So ito, kapag meron ka nitong center and then yung distance nito from your center to the given point on the circle, kahit anong point dyan, ito po yung tinatawag nating radius. Okay, so the circle is named using its center. So halimbawa po itong circle natin, since ang center po natin dito ay A, so this is circle A. Yun po ang kanyang name. Now, a radius of a circle is a line segment from the center to any point of the circle. Pag sinabi nating radius, it is a line segment. Segment lang po siya. Pag sinabing segment, meron siyang dalawang endpoints. Okay? So, that's why it is a segment. So, asan yung two endpoints niya? So, it is from the center, ayun ang sabi, to any point of the circle. So, kanina nakita nyo na nandito yung mga points ng circle. So, from the center to any points on the circle. So, ito po, halimbawa ito. So, therefore, we have two radius. So, kapag meron tayong dalawang radius, ibig sabihin, raday na po yun. This is the plural form. So, we have AR, okay, segment AR, this is one of the radius, and then segment AT. So, from the center to any point on the circle. From the center to any point on the circle. So, that's why we have AR and segment AT. Okay, so we have two endpoints kapag radius po. This is your first endpoint and this is the second one. Next, a chord of a circle is a line segment whose endpoints lie on the circle. So, pag sinabi naman natin chord, ang endpoint niya ay naglalay doon sa circle. Diba nandito po yung mga points natin kanina, yung pinakita ko kanina. So, ang chord, masasabi lang natin siyang chord kapag yung dalawang endpoints niya ng segment mo ay nasa circle. So, halimbawa ito, and then yun. So, this is a chord. Okay? And then this one, and this one, ito rin ay point, so this is a chord. Basta ang dalawang endpoints niya nandito sa circle. So, ito, we have segment SR and segment TR. Now, if you will be naming your chord like segment RS, pwede rin po yun. Or segment RT. Okay? So, we have two chords in the given figure, the segment SR and segment TR. And then, what is a diameter? So, a diameter of a circle is a chord. So, take note, a diameter is a chord. Why? Because a diameter, meron din po siyang dalawang endpoints. Okay? So, ang pinagkaiba niya lang, ano lang difference niya dito? Ito po ay chord, isang klase ng chord na kung saan it contains the circle. I mean the center. So, dumadaan po siya sa center. So, halimbawa ito, di ba meron po tayong dalawang chord. Dito sa dalawang chord na to, kasi a diameter is a chord. So, dito sa dalawang chord nito, alin dito yung dumaan sa center? It contains the center daw po. So, we have this. Okay, we have this chord. So, this will be your diameter. So, we have segment TR. Okay? So, pag sinabi natin ang pinagkaiba nila, ang diameter po ay chord. So, lahat ng ito, lahat ng lines, or line segment na ang endpoints niya nasa circle, lahat po yun ay chord. Okay? Now, kapag yung chord na yon ay dumaan sa center, that is a diameter. Name the following. So, name the circle. So, tingnan po natin kung anong name. Makikita po natin yan sa gitna. So, this is circle N. Identify all the diameters. So, pag sinabi nating diameters, it pass through the center. So, dumadaan siya sa gitna. It contains the center. So, we have segment EM. Ayan, dumaan siya sa gitna. And segment SI. So, yun po yung ating diameter. Identify all radii. So, radii, ibig sabihin marami tayong radius dito. So, we have from the center to any point of the circle. So, from the center, we have 4. So, we have segment NS, segment NM, segment NI, and segment NE. Kasi pag sinabi nating radius from the center to any point on the circle. Next, we have chords. So, identify all the chords. Pag sinabi natin chords, ang endpoints niya nasa circle. Okay, nandito po. So, we have segment EM, segment SI, and segment SL. So, lahat ng endpoints niya nasa circle. Ayun, and this one. Okay, so as you can see, si segment EM at si segment SI naka-diameter din. Right? Kasi nga po, a diameter is a chord. Okay? A diameter is a chord. Kaya kung mapapansin niyo yung diameter nasa chord din. Alright? Now, ang pinakaiba nga lang po ni diameter, ito, it pass through the center. It contains the center. Let's talk about the arcs of a circle. So, an arc of a circle is 2 points on the circle and the continuous part of the circle between the 2 points. The 2 points are called the endpoints of the arc. So, yung kapag meron po tayong arc, yung endpoints po niyan, yun po yung pwedeng segment, chord, or radius po na makikita natin sa circle. So, I have this figure. Let us define this tree. A semicircle is an arc of a circle whose endpoints are the points of the diameter. Okay, so pag sinabi nating semicircle, ito po yung ang endpoints niya ay yung endpoints ng diameter mo. So, halimbawa, ito po ay diameter, right? So, ang semicircle po natin is this one. Okay, so we have arc SL. Ayan, arc SL. Kung 2 points lang po ang given. So, let's say, wala po si M, wala po si I. So, you can make use of 2 points. Pwede po natin yan gamitin kung wala pong points dito sa pagitan nila. Okay? Pero since meron, para mas okay kasi na ininame po natin ang semicircle using 3 points. So, bihira po na halimbawa wala itong M at I. So, ang semicircle mo, SL. 2 points lang talaga yon. So, since meron namang points in between them, gagamitan po natin siya ng points in between them, SML. So, yun po yung ating semicircle. Or, ma'am, pwede po bang SIL? Yes, kasi dun din siya papunta. SIL. So, ibig sabihin, eto siya. Okay? So, para mas madaling tandaan, ano ba ang semicircle? It is half of the circle. Okay? So, pwede rin pong SEL. Ayan. SEL, pwede rin pong SIL. So, marami pong pwedeng paraan. Okay? So, SEL, SML, or SIL. Pwede po yan. And then, for minor arc, kung ang semicircle ay half of the circle, ang minor arc po, it is smaller than a semicircle. So, ibig sabihin, it is less than half. Okay? So, mas maliit siya dun sa kalahati. So, halimbawa po ito. Okay? So, halimbawa po ito, we have arc SM. Pwede rin pong ito. So, mas maliit siya sa semicircle. Arc MI. Or pwede rin pong arc IL. Okay? So, meron pa po dito. Marami pong pwede. Okay? So, I'm just giving you a few examples. Now, tatandaan that when we are naming a minor arc, you can make use of two points, pwede rin po 3 points. Okay? 3 points kung merong points in between them. Pero kung wala naman, pwede na po ang 2 points. That's why we can name a minor arc using 2 or 3 points. So, 2 points kapag meron siyang points in between. Okay, so halimbawa, SMI. So, SMI, arc SMI is also a minor arc. Why? Kasi less than half siya. Less than, smaller than a semicircle siya. Okay? Pero doon, sa binigay ko na yon na arc SMI, 3 points ang ginamit ko. Right? So, you can name the minor arc using 2 or 3 points. So, pwede pong arc SMI. Pwede rin arc MIL. So, this is still a minor arc kasi less than half siya ng semicircle. Less than half siya ng circle. Okay? And then, we also have the major arc. So, your major arc is an arc which is larger. Larger naman ito. Kung ito ay smaller, ito po ay larger. So, when we are naming a major arc, we always use 3 points. So, hindi po pwedeng 2 points dito. So, 3 points po. So, we have arc SME. So, tingnan nyo po yung direction SME. Pag ganun siya. So, lumampas siya sa kalahati ng circle mo. So, that is already a major arc. Another example, arc SEI. So, simula dito hanggang dito. So, more than half siya or more than half siya or larger than a semicircle siya. So, this is already a major arc. Another, ILS. So, from here, ILS hanggang dito. So, it's still more than half. Larger than a semicircle. So, this is a major arc. Next,